How to make perfect pie crust every time. Making a flaky and buttery pie crust is an art form, and in this video, you can show your audience how to make the perfect pie crust every time. You can demonstrate the process of making the dough, rolling it out, and shaping it into a pie dish. First, you'll want to gather your ingredients: all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, butter, and ice water. You'll mix the dry ingredients together in a large bowl, then cut in the butter until the mixture resembles coarse sand. It's important to use cold butter to ensure a flaky crust. You can use a pastry cutter or your hands to incorporate the butter. Once the butter is evenly distributed, you'll gradually add the ice water, a tablespoon at a time, and mix until the dough comes together. You don't want to overwork the dough, so stop mixing as soon as it forms a cohesive ball. You can divide the dough in half and shape each half into a disc, then wrap them in plastic wrap and chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. When you're ready to roll out the dough, lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin. Take one disc of dough out of the fridge and let it sit at room temperature for a few minutes to soften slightly. Roll the dough out to a 12-inch circle, rotating it frequently to ensure even thickness. You can transfer the dough to a 9-inch pie dish by rolling it onto the rolling pin, unrolling it over the dish, or by folding it in quarters and carefully placing it in the dish. Trim the excess dough, leaving about ½ inch overhang. You can fold the overhang under itself and crimp the edges to create a decorative border. If you're making a double crust pie, repeat the rolling process with a second disc of dough and use it to cover the filling, sealing the edges with egg wash or water. Bake the pie according to your recipe's instructions, and enjoy your perfectly flaky and buttery crust. By following these steps, your audience will have all the knowledge they need to create a beautiful pie crust every time.